Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are trying to place an order on Doordash and keep getting a payment error, don't stress. It's a common issue. And in this video, I will walk you through exactly how to fix it step by step. So let's get started. First thing first, double check your payment details. Make sure your card number, expiration date CVV and billing zip code are all entered correctly. Even a teeny typo can trigger a payment error. If the info looks good but it's still not working, try switching to a different credit or a debit card. You can also link your PayPal account, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or even use a Doordash gift card. Sometimes your bank might block the transaction, so trying a different method can help bypass that. If the problem continues, call your bank or card issuer. They might have flagged the charge as suspicious and declined it. Let them know you are trying to make a legit purchase on Doordash and ask them to allow it. If you are using the app, try clearing the app cache or just delete and reinstall the app altogether. If that doesn't work, switch to the Doordash website on a browser or try to different device entirely. If all else fails, hit up Doordash support. You can reach them through the app or at help.doordash.com. Explain the issue and what you have tried so far. They can help reset your payment info or troubleshoot from their site. If you are using a Doordash gift card, make sure you fully activate it and that the balance covers your order total, including taxes, fees, and tips. And that's it. One of the best steps should get your Doordash payment back on track. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more delivery and app tips, and drop a comment if you have dealt with these issues before. We'd love to hear what worked for you.